अस्सलामुअलैकुम स्टूडेंट। आज की इस वीडियो के अंदर हम उन तमाम इल्लीगल और फेक इंस्टीट्यूशन और यूनिवर्सिटी के सब कैंपसेस की बात करेंगे जिनको HEC ने इल्लीगल डिक्लेयर किया हुआ है। ये वीडियो आपके फ्यूचर करियर के हवाले से बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को इन फेक इंस्टीट्यूशन का पता नहीं होता और वो इनमें एडमिशन ले लेते हैं। आप अगर अपने करियर के हवाले से ज़रा भी कॉन्शियस हैं तो इस वीडियो को एंड तक देखें और अपने कमेंट्स ज़रूर कीजिएगा। फिर दूसरी बात यह है कि हमारी इस वीडियो का मतलब किसी भी अदारे की साख को नुकसान पहुंचाना नहीं है, बल्कि स्टूडेंट्स के अंदर अवेयरनेस पैदा करना है, क्योंकि ये सारे का सारा डाटा जो है आज की डेट तक हमने HEC की वेबसाइट से लिया है। इसके बाद यानी कि आज की डेट के बाद अगर कोई अदारा जो है वो HEC की रिक्वायरमेंट पूरी करता है और वो इस लिस्ट से बाहर आ जाता है तो ये एक खुशाइन बात होगी। All affiliated colleges with Global Institution Lahore offering undergraduate and postgraduate program. Number 2, all affiliated colleges with the Superior College Lahore across the Punjab offering undergraduate and graduate program. Number 3, all Heritage International College affiliated with University of South Asia Lahore located across the Punjab offering undergraduate and postgraduate education. Number 4, the Open International University for Complementary Medicine Sri Lanka and its operation anywhere in Pakistan including Karachi and Islamabad offices. Number 5, American International University 7up Chowk Gulberg 3 Lahore. Number 6, Soft Logis College of Information Technology Lahore. Number 7, UIT Institution Gulberg 3 Ghalib Road Lahore. Number 8, Pakistan College of Science and Technology Faisalabad. Number 9, AIMS Institution of Management Sciences AIMS Multan. Number 10, National Textile College of Professional Sciences Alam Road Gulberg 3 Lahore. Standard Institution of Engineering Technology and Science New Muslim Town Lahore. Number 12, Aligarh Institution of Management Sciences Model Town Rahim Yar Khan. Number 13, Michigan International College Lahore. Number 14, American International College Faisaltown Lahore Punjab. Number 15, American University of London National College of Business Management and Technology Model Town Lahore. 16, Rawal Open International University of Alternative Medicine Pakistan Gujar Khan Rawalpindi. Infovision Institution of Management and Information Technology Lahore. Islamia College of Commerce Muzaffargarh. Obstec College of Commerce Science Lahore. CIT College Bank Road Sadar Rawalpindi. University College of Commerce Khanewal. National College of Commerce Mia Channu. Qaid-e-Azam College Mia Channu. International College of Commerce Mia Channu. Leeds Law College Borewala. Allied College of Commerce Mia Channu. DG College Tonsa DG Khan. Institution of Information Technology and Management Rawalpindi. WA Institution of Management and Technology WA Kent. University College of Information Technology DG Khan. Jannab Institution of Information Technology Jung. College of Management and Information Technology, Gujarat. Rawalpindi Institution of Technology, Ojri Camp, Murray Road, Rawalpindi. Multan Institution of Management Sciences, Multan. Pursuit Institution of Management and IT, Gulberg 3, Lahore. College of Professional Studies, Faisalabad. Institution of Management Sciences, Canal Road, People Colony, Faisalabad. College of Business Administration, Sargodha. College of IT, Satellite Town, Rawalpindi. University College, 6 Road, Satellite Town, Rawalpindi. Infovision Institution of Management and Information Technology, Lahore. Shibli College of Commerce, Layya. Khyber College of Commerce, Layya. Abdul Qasim College, Tonsa, DG Khan. The National College of Multan. National Group of Textile College, Gujranwala. Kainat College of Commerce, Layya. College of Advanced Professional Studies, Freetown, Sahiwal. Abacus College, Satellite Town, Rawalpindi. Lions College, Sahiwal. College of Information and Technology, Chowk, Islamabad, Sialkot. Al Qasim University, Lawrence Road, Lahore. College of Global Technologies, Peshawar Road, Rawalpindi. South Asian Institution of Management and IT, Rawalpindi. UK College of Information Technology, Muzaffargarh. College of Management and IT, Wahkent. UK College of Technology, Bahawalpur. College of Professional Studies, Multan. Polytechnical Institution, Rahim Yar Khan. Leeds Institution of Management Sciences, Gulberg 2, Lahore. Central College of Information Technology, Multan. Institution of Professional Studies, Canal Campus. New Muslim Town near New Campus Bridge, Gulberg 3, Lahore. College of Technical Education, Lahore. College of Education, New Muslim Town, Lahore. Matrix Institution of Engineering Science, Gulberg 3, Lahore. Quaid-e-Azam College of Information Technology, Firozpur Road, Lahore. Center of Health and Population Studies, Lahore. College of Business Administration, Gulberg 3, Lahore. Lahore School of Information Technology, New Garden Town, Lahore. Institution of Computer Technology, Gulberg 2, Main Firozpur Road, Lahore. Excelsior College of Information Technology, Lahore. Fashion Design Institution, Rawalpindi. Raisul Ehrar College, Rawalpindi. Independent University, Faisalabad. Independent Medical College, Faisalabad. Preston University, Faisalabad. NICON College of Commerce, Faisalabad. Preston University School of Business, Satellite Town, Rawalpindi.